Most Honda key fobs use a flip-open case design. Start by locating the small metal tab or notch on the fob's edge, typically near the keyring attachment. Insert a small flat tool like a key or coin into the notch. Gently pry the case halves apart to reveal the battery compartment. The battery you're looking for is a CR2032, a 3-volt lithium coin cell. Make a note of which side is facing up, so the replacement will have the correct polarity. Having the correct polarity is key to ensure the fob functions correctly. Once the case is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Handle it with dry hands to avoid corrosion. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Align the case halves and gently snap them back together until they are securely closed. Test the key fob by pressing the buttons to ensure it's functioning correctly. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. Properly dispose of the old battery by recycling it at an electronics store.